I'm hoping nobody buys it, is what I'm hoping. And I'm selling it because it looks like my company is gonna fire like half the drivers. But they're behaving like they're gonna fire half the drivers. They're kind of setting us up to fail so they can get rid of us or whatever. I don't know. And then also I'm going to family court. I'm gonna be paying child support soon. And we have money in savings, but I don't think it's enough money in savings. So if I sell the GTO, I can like double our savings money just by doing that one thing. And I have enough vehicles. I have the pickup truck, minivan, motorcycle that I don't need. And we need the money more than we need.
You're not even using it, plus the insurance that you have to pay.
And it's just the pickup truck. I can use the pickup truck for stuff. The GTO is very cool and very fun, but other than transportation, it does not serve purpose. And any vehicle has the purpose of transportation. So to use a GTO, which is a sports car for driving very fast just to go from point A to point B, is kind of silly. And also, it's just I need the money. I never wanted to sell it. I wanted to keep it forever. I wanted to give it to my first daughter from the other woman. I wanted to give her the car, but now just to get back into her life, I have to pay child support, which is very expensive. So in a sense, I kind of am giving her the car by selling it, to making the sacrifice to be able to do this situation, which I was trying to avoid because it's expensive. But anyway, so I'm selling the car, but I don't want to sell the car. I'm hoping nobody buys it. And that's it.
Ayun, kaninang umaga niya lang nilagay sa na-list sa marketplace. Eh, yung sinasabi niya, sana daw walang bumili. So, ayun, hindi ko kasi napakita kahapon. Sobrang busy. At saka natatamad din ako mag-vlog kahapon. Nakakapagod si Zayda. Paikot-ikot kami doon. Sumakit yung aking balakang. So, andito na kami guys. Ayun ang aking mom-in-law. Ang sipag, nag-mow. Basta dyan pinapractice yung kanyang mga kabayo. Ayun na si Zayda. So, sobrang init ngayon. 23 degrees Celsius. Zayda. Tapos si Mr. i-vacuum itong aming minivan. Walk, go to Grandma Mimi. Grandma Mimi's over there. There. You need to stay over here because the horse is free. Stay here, stay here. Ano pala nakakawala yung kabayo. Ayan, diba? Ang dumi ng aming minivan. Kaya lilinisin ni Mister. Are you gonna play with the ball, baby? What's that? Ang daming mga dragonfly dito. Parang medyo nawala na yung mga wasp. Which is okay. Kasi nakakatakot ang sakit niya mga gat. Come here. Just stay here. Play with the ball. So naglalakad-lakad kami dito ni Zayda habang si Mister ay nililinis ang aming sasakyan. Wala dito ang aking father-in-law kasi nagfi-fishing siya 2 days. 2 days yata yun. Yun talaga ang kanyang hobby. Zayda, what's that? Is that a stick? Mahilig magpulot-pulot to ng kung ano-ano si Zayda. What's that? Show it to them. What is that? Stick? Stick. Hmm? What is that? Stick? Oopsie. Oopsie. Tingnan nyo, pagka-toddler na talaga, super curious. Ayan, pinulot niya itong, ibang tawag siya, pot. Magtatanim daw siya. Are you gonna plant some grass, baby? Baby Zeta? Are you still a baby? You're gonna be an adult soon. Great job! Lakad na naman si Madam. Ay, Diyos ko po. Kailangan mo talaga ng maraming baon na energy. Lalo na pagka nasa labas sila ng bahay. Tingnan nyo guys, merong hummingbird na ewan ko ba, parang nahilo ata siya. Tapos bigla siyang lumipad dito dyan sa may part na yan. Nauntog siya dyan and ewan ko. Do you think love it's gonna die?
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo.
Oh,
Ganyan
wait,
pala.
let it go.
Ay, ayun na siya. Nakalipad na. Buhay pa pala.
Did you film it?
Yeah, but it's not gonna show that because I did not zoom it. Ang ganda ng hummingbird na ako sa kanya na amazed sa itsura. Kasi sobrang liit. I didn't know that it's going to fly. I thought it's going to die. Baby, where you going? Sayang sana na videohan ko. Ang ganda ng hummingbird. Parang wala hummingbird sa Pilipinas, no? Right, where do you wanna go? You wanna go see the horse? Huh? You tell Grandma you want to see the horse. You wanna see the horse? Grandma's busy. What, baby? Flower? Grabe, ang sarap ng hangin dito mga sis. Probinsya talaga siya. Fresh na fresh. Ang init. Kanina nagpapayong ako kasi nga sobrang init. Ayaw ni Zeta magpapayong. Hindi kasi uso dito yung mga nagpapayong pagka mainit. Kahit nga umuulan eh. Oh, the baby's so happy. What's that? Is that your flower? Hindi ko alam kung saan nagpunta si Mister. Ang hirap hanapin kasi nga ang laki nitong property nila. Ng aking mga biyanan. Bless you. What will you say if someone sneezes? What will you say if someone sneezes, baby? Bless you. This is Mom's umbrella. Bless you. Wanna play with the umbrella? I'm gonna sit there. Come here. Come here. Mama, move the chair over here. Wow, look. Mama, here. Yan, so nakauwi na kami guys. Galing kami doon sa parang bahay nung kaibigan ng aking mother-in-law para kumuha ng hay. Ayun sila. Si Richie tsaka yung aking mom-in-law. Binababa yung mga hay. Si Sarah, wala na naman tigil kakalakad itong batang ito. Baby, where are you going? Where are you going? Go! Go, go, go! Why are you crying? Ayaw niya nang pinipigilan siya na mag-ikot-ikot. What's that? Stick. Go to Dada. Wow, you excited to see Dada? Where are you going?